we're going to make some apple pie filling. So we got 2 cups of water, 2 cups of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch so you can thicken it up. Half a cup of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And a teaspoon of kosher salt. Whisk it constantly till it boils for 2 minutes. It's been boiling for 2 minutes, whisking the entire time, and it's starting to thicken up. Ready to add the apples. Apples are in. Turn it down to a simmer and cover for 10 minutes. It was simmered for 10 minutes. I'll let it cool for 30 or 45 minutes, and then I'll put it in a freezer bag, and we can have apple pie filling whenever we want to make a pie. In the freezer bag, ready to go in the freezer.